Hi everyone, this is my ZZ plant I got from Lowe's for $6.99. But the problem I'm having with it is I can't get it out of this cash pot. And I don't know if there's water standing in there. I have no idea. And the little pot, oh wait, I got it. Pretty firm in there. Not in the right kind of soil. Like more of a cactus succulent mixed soil. I don't want to break any of the stems off. Oh, it's moving. There we go. Oh, let's see. We've got several plants in here. This is called division. That's what I'm doing. I'm dividing them. This can all go together, and this will be the mama plant. No wonder I couldn't get it out of the pot very easily. So I'm going to move this, after I water it, to a new location where it can drain and I don't have to worry about it sitting in water. Give it a good drink. And the water ran through it. So now I've got these little ones in these pots. Little starter pots I've got here. So I've got 4 divisions. There's the roots, and there's the rhizome. So this one, oops, too much, put a smaller one in there. You want to make sure that the roots and the rhizome are under the soil surface. They should not be exposed. On here, I recycle it. If there's anything funky, I throw it away, like root rot or something. But if it's just fine soil, there's nothing wrong with it. So I put it in a bag, I leave the bag open, use it for other plants. Okay. Clean this up a little bit. So in 2 weeks, once I know these are going to do okay, they will be in my store at houseplant.help. Yep, that's my domain. It'll be live on the 28th, but these won't be in there on the 28th. So there's that. And that's dividing a ZZ plant. Of course, you can propagate from the leaves and the stems, but since this one had so many little babies in it, I decided to do it this way. I'm going to keep the big one though, and hopefully we'll have more babies in the future. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's important to help my channel grow and to reach more people. Thanks.